What are the best practices followed in server-side scripting? Right. So here are some of the best practices to be followed for the server-side scripts. So especially when you configure the business rules and when you configure before type of business rules, do not write the syntax of current.insert, current.update. That is not a best practice because you're already inserting a record through the operation, and again you are not supposed to rewrite the insert or update syntax. And when it comes to the after type of business rule, so do not write current.update because you are doing the update kind of business rule. Again, you're writing the syntax of current.update, which means it continuously, the logic business rule continuously keeps on executing the same logic because the logic gets updated for every update. The logic gets executed for every update, so which we do not want that. So it goes into the infinite loop of updations, so it will lead to performance issues. So avoid writing current.update or current.insert in after type of business rules. And when there is a dependency of updation of tables, so go for asynchronous kind of business rules rather than after type of business rules, right? And always keep the logic, whatever the script that you're writing in the business rule or any of the script, put that in the functions and call the functions wherever required. And do not put the log statements while migrating the code from one environment to other environment. Comment the log statements or remove the log statements before you are migrating the update sets, right? And always try to use reusability concepts of writing the scripts. So you have 10 different business rules and you have same logic doing different types of business rules. Don't rewrite the logic 10 times in all these business rules. Put the logic in a common place called script include and call the logic from the scripting, call the logic from the business rules across these 10 business rules. So you're writing script only one time in the script include and you're reusing it in 10 different business rules. So these are all some of the best practices to be followed in the server-side scripting.